Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the resolution of your picture on the Foodie application that you are going to take with the app. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the three dots icon in the upper left corner of the screen, and here you can see that you have two options in the resolution section, such as high and standard. So as you can see, if you select the high option, it means that the shooting speed may slow down a little bit. So if you take a picture, you are going to see the difference between the two options, the high and the other resolution option. So here you can compare them to each other. There's the standard one. So if you go to the settings, you're going to see the difference between the two options. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.